Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So we have finished chapter 6, acids, bases and salts. Now it's time to summarize the chapter. So let's discuss it with the help of this mind map. So before going into details, we'll discuss a general introduction about acids and bases. So when you have certain beverages like orange juice, buttermilk, the taste is sour, right? Why do they have sour taste? Because they have acid in them. On the other hand, when we bake a cake, we put baking soda in that, right? So when we put this baking soda in excess, then the cake, it gets bitter in taste, right? Why? Because that baking soda, it is a base and it is having bitter taste. So we'll discuss all the properties and uses of acids and bases in detail with the help of this mind map. So let's discuss it. Substances, they can be divided into three categories: acids, bases and salts. Acids, they have sour taste. Bases, they are bitter in taste. And salts, when acids and bases react together, they make a salt. Then acids can further be classified into two categories: organic and inorganic. Organic acids, they are found naturally in plants and animals. For example, lactic acid, it is found in sour milk. Then acetic acid, it is found in vinegar. Then inorganic acids, they are derived from minerals. For example, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Now we move on to bases. Bases can also be classified into two categories: strong and weak. Strong acids, for example, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. They are very strong, even they can burn the skin. Then weak bases like copper hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, they have their own advantages. Then salts, when acid and base react together, they make a salt. For example, HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, when it reacts with base sodium hydroxide, it makes a salt which is sodium chloride, and water is also formed. Now let's discuss the properties of acids. Properties, like as I told you, acids, they are sour in taste. They are corrosive in nature. They turn blue litmus into red. They have pH less than 7. There is one more property, that most of the acids, they are soluble in water. Now, properties of bases, they have bitter taste. They are slippery or soapy to touch. They turn red litmus into blue. And they have pH above 7. Now we move to properties of salts. They have high melting point and boiling point. Most of the salts, they are soluble in water. Now let's discuss the uses of acids. Acids, they, for example, there is one acid, that is HCl, hydrochloric acid, which helps in digestion. So if you remember, when we discussed digestive system, we discussed about HCl also, that HCl, it is there in stomach, which helps in digestion. Then the next property is ascorbic acid, which is found in vitamin C. It is essential for healthy body. So vitamin C is having this ascorbic acid, which is very, very required for a healthy body. Then vinegar, it is used to preserve the food. Like in pickles and all, we use vinegar. For now the examples of acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Now we move to uses of bases. Bases, they are used in the production of pesticides. Then they are used in the manufacturing of textiles, soaps, etc. Milk of magnesia, it is a base, it is used as antacid. So example of bases are copper hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Now let's discuss the uses of salts. Salts like NaCl, it is used as common salt. So it is also called as table salt. Now sodium carbonate, it is used as washing soda. Then sodium bicarbonate, it is used in making baking soda. Okay, so these are the uses of acid, bases and salts. So I hope you have understood this chapter well. I will see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.